Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. This is trading the Asian session today. I'm taking these trades based on these levels. You see this shaded zone marked up here. Go through and have a quick look at them. Euro CAD, Euro dollar, the NAS, that one's still deciding what it wants to do, and the Kiwi dollar's quite nice. At this point, we can reduce our risk. Let me show you something. We've set up in our Discord here a new section. I've renamed it again, Order Blocks. And what I'll be doing in here is posting these markups so that you have the opportunity to weigh these up and get involved in trading these. This is an invite to join. First up, we've got the free traders zone here with a lot of great resources. If you haven't already, click the link below and join our free Discord. Have access to that. Take your trading to the next level. Join us in VIP. I've changed our pricing structure to make this affordable. Let me show you that. Go to the website. The $19.95 used to be a 6-monthly option. In other words, $19.95 times 6, $119.70. This is now monthly, a monthly subscription. I've taken out the 3-month, the 6-month and the 12-month options. We've only got this now for a limited time. So I would suggest definitely jump on board while the opportunity is available. Join us in VIP, and I look forward to seeing you in Discord, and let's enjoy this journey together.